check this out. Look how the aftermath of the storm. Look at this big snow wall that Faye built. This is amazing. I gotta show you something too. There's the puppies! Oh my goodness! Oh my gosh! Look at these doggies! Look at these doggies! Let's go! Let's go! Oh, you like the snow? You like the snow? Huh? Oh my gosh! Look at these guys! Come on, boys! Come on, boys! Rocket boy! They like going right there. Look how pretty it is. Like after the snowstorm, there's like a lot of snow. Check it out. No, Jack, stay right here. He's a good boy. Hey, get over here, boys. Come on. All right. Check this out. I gotta show you guys something. I know how deer stay warm. Look at this. A deer made this little snow cave. That's how they keep warm. Wow, look at that. Definitely winter wonderland, huh? Ah, get him, boy! Get him, boy! All right, monster boy, monster boy. Get him, boy! Get him, get him! Look at that rascal! Look at that rascal! Oh my goodness!